Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to channel all of your favorite Scottish vibes or plaid vibes? Then you need this super cute set from UMAM Traders. This is a tam and a scarf that completely match and coordinate, and they're made with real Scottish plaid colors. This set is made with acrylic wool and cotton fabric, so it's super comfortable to wear and not itchy at all. I really like that the hat has a nice elastic band around it that is also really comfy and works with any size head as well as any hairstyle. This set really allows you to be able to express yourself with vibrant, really beautiful colors. It's super fun that they included the traditional pom-pom on top, which makes it even more fun. I feel like all I need is a kilt and a set of bagpipes, and I will be completely channeling all my Scottish vibes. This set is really nice and comfy and cozy. I love that it could be worn even as it gets into a little bit cooler spring weather because it's not super heavy, but it's super fun and vibrant, and it looks adorable whether it's on me or just sitting on the side. But that's just my point of view.